Fuel injection pumps are a cornerstone of engine performance, especially for heavy-duty machinery and industrial engines. Among these, the new 24-volt fuel injection pump designed for Perkins 1106 CE60 TA engines and Caterpillar 3056E engines, compatible with loaders such as the 924G and 930G, is particularly noteworthy. It also aligns with VP30, 2644 P501, 047006003, and 216-9824 references. While it might seem like a small component, its impact on engine performance, reliability, and efficiency cannot be overstated. Choosing the right fuel injection pump is crucial for smooth operation, longevity, and optimal fuel utilization. At its core, a fuel injection pump controls the precise delivery of fuel into the combustion chamber. Accurate fuel injection ensures the engine combusts fuel efficiently, producing maximum power with minimal waste. Inadequate fuel delivery can lead to a range of issues: poor engine performance, excessive fuel consumption, rough idling, increased emissions, and even catastrophic engine failure. For operators of industrial machinery, the reliability of the fuel pump is not just a convenience, it is essential to the machine's functionality and overall productivity. The 24-volt fuel injection pump is engineered for extreme durability. Engines like the Perkins 1106 CE60 TA or Caterpillar 3056E operate in harsh conditions, from construction sites to agricultural fields, often under intense heat, dust, and vibration. The pump's metal casing, precision machine components, and high-quality seals are built to resist wear, corrosion, and environmental stress. This ensures consistent performance over thousands of operational hours, reducing maintenance frequency and unplanned downtime. The secure connections also prevent fuel leaks, maintaining the integrity of the engine's fuel system. From a performance perspective, this fuel injection pump is remarkable. The electronic fuel injection system allows for precise metering and timing of fuel delivery, adjusting in real time to engine load, speed, and temperature. This enhances throttle response, improves power output, and promotes more consistent combustion. Compared to older mechanical pumps, electronic fuel injection systems offer superior efficiency, smoother engine operation, and better compliance with modern emission standards. Installation of the pump is designed to be as straightforward as possible for professionals familiar with engine maintenance. Standardized mounting points and electrical connections allow for a seamless fit. However, correct alignment and calibration are critical. Even a minor misalignment can compromise fuel delivery, leading to engine inefficiencies or damage. Referring to the engine service manual or consulting a qualified technician ensures optimal installation and immediate performance benefits. Reliability and durability are paramount in industrial settings. Heavy machinery engines are expected to operate continuously, often for hours at a time. Under load, a high-quality fuel injection pump reduces the risk of operational interruptions. This pump is designed to maintain consistent fuel delivery regardless of extreme conditions, vibration, or temperature fluctuations. For businesses and operators, this translates directly into cost savings by minimizing downtime and maintenance interventions. Fuel efficiency is another significant advantage of using a modern electronic fuel injection pump. Precise fuel metering reduces waste, lowers emissions, and maximizes the energy extracted from each liter of fuel. Engines such as the Perkins 1106 CE60 TA and Caterpillar 3056E benefit from the improved fuel economy, ensuring machinery operates efficiently while also meeting environmental compliance standards. In industrial operations where fuel costs are a major expenditure, these savings are substantial. Compatibility is a key feature of this pump. It is designed to fit Perkins 1106 CE60 TA engines, Caterpillar 3056E engines, and loaders such as the 924G and 930G. The inclusion of VP30 control unit compatibility and reference numbers like 2644 P501, 047006003, and 216-9824 ensures that it can replace existing pumps without compatibility issues. This makes sourcing a replacement easier, reducing downtime and streamlining maintenance procedures. The electronic control element is particularly noteworthy. Traditional mechanical pumps could only approximate fuel delivery, often resulting in inconsistent engine performance. Electronic fuel injection pumps continuously adjust fuel flow in response to engine load, speed, and temperature. This ensures smoother operation, reduced vibration, better fuel efficiency, and longer engine life. Even though the pump might appear simple, it incorporates sophisticated technology critical to modern engine performance.